Cocoa, Florida. Today we have a Atlas-5 going off with SES-21 and SES-22 satellites. And we should be having that in just a few seconds here. Try to give you guys a view of it. There she goes, folks, right there through the clouds. Nice clear shot of it right there through the clouds. And she should punch out the other side. She's heading direct east. The first stage of this will go into orbit and will stay stationary over the equator. I'm waiting to see if it comes out there. There she comes out the clouds right there, folks. She's come out the top. There she is. You're going to hear the rumble. Here comes the rumble. Little windy today, folks, but she's going down range. That's about it, folks. Not much of a shot, but that's it. Hey, this is Mitch Bromwell on Florida Space Coast. God bless you all, and God bless America.